Imagine a highway rest stop at midnight. Regular motorhomes sit quietly under pale lights, looking worn from long miles and ordinary plans. Then something darker rolls in, wider, taller, heavier, with 8 tires, a raised armored stance, and the kind of presence that makes everyone pause and stare. The pumps keep clicking, but the mood changes instantly. That is the fantasy behind the 2027 Toyota WARHAWK 8x8, a luxury survival motorhome imagined for people who do not just want to travel, they want to disappear beyond the map without leaving comfort behind. Because this machine is speculative rather than a confirmed Toyota model, the smartest way to understand it is as an extreme idea pushed to its limit. Picture Toyota durability meeting private jet thinking, then stretch that idea across deserts, frozen highways, broken mountain trails, and empty roads where the nearest hotel feels forgotten. The WARHAWK 8x8 is not courting the holiday crowd. It speaks to explorers, collectors, emergency-prepared families, field crews, and anyone who has ever looked at a normal camper and asked one question: what happens when the road ends and the world keeps going? First comes the scale. 4 axles stretch the body into a commanding profile, while the lifted ride height creates ground clearance that signals intent before the engine speaks. Up front, imagine a bold Toyota-inspired face with sharp lighting, protective bumpers, recovery points, and a broad windshield that feels more like a lookout than glass. From the side, the WARHAWK looks less like an RV and more like a mobile command post. The wheels are spaced far apart, giving it a settled, unstoppable posture, while the bodywork stays clean enough for luxury and strong enough to suggest punishment. That is what makes the 8x8 layout so fascinating. It is not just visual shock. It promises grip, balance, and confidence, where a normal motorhome would feel nervous and helpless. Mud, soft sand, deep snow, loose gravel, washed-out tracks, and steep campsite approaches all become part of the WARHAWK story. Of course, any real ability would depend on the actual drivetrain, suspension, weight, steering, and tire choice. But the concept communicates one message with clarity. This machine is designed for places where roadside assistance will not find you quickly, and where self-reliance matters more than campground etiquette. Then, the tone changes the moment you step inside. A vehicle this aggressive could easily feel cold inside, but the WARHAWK works only if the cabin becomes a calm luxury shelter. Imagine soft lighting, wide seating, warm materials, hidden storage, and a layout that turns survival-minded travel into something comfortable. The interior would not be arranged as a simple row of seats and beds. It would be divided into living zones, a front cockpit for command, a lounge for breathing room, a kitchen for actual meals, a sleeping suite that does not feel temporary, a bathroom with enough privacy to make long remote stays realistic. Luxury here is not about glossy trim for attention. It is about independence. You want large windows when the view deserves it, and strong insulation when the weather becomes hostile. You want climate control that keeps the cabin steady through heat, cold, dust, rain, and wind. You want an energy system for lighting, refrigeration, cooking, navigation, communications, work gear, and maybe solar charging depending on configuration. In a vehicle like this, comfort is not decoration. Comfort is the tool that lets you stay out longer, think clearly, sleep properly, and keep moving when ordinary travelers turn back. The cockpit would be central to the WARHAWK experience. Nobody wants to feel like they are wrestling a machine of this size every mile. A smart execution would need clear digital screens, camera feeds around the body, intuitive controls, and driver aids that reduce stress. With 8 wheels and a long body, visibility matters. Turning space matters. Braking confidence matters. Steering effort matters. The driver should step out alert, not exhausted. The best version of the WARHAWK would make massive size feel manageable, deliberate, and graceful once you settle into its rhythm. That sense of control is part of the dream. Sitting high above traffic, seeing farther down the road, and knowing your shelter is traveling directly behind you creates a level of confidence normal luxury SUVs cannot match. The appeal is not speed, it is reach. It is the belief that damaged pavement, sudden storms, and rough access tracks are less likely to destroy the plan. A vehicle like this does not promise to make every journey easy. It promises to keep the journey alive after conditions become difficult. Performance, if this concept became real, would focus on torque, cooling, durability, and precise low-speed control. This is not a sports car fantasy. Nobody buys an 8-wheel survival motorhome to win a drag race. The drama comes from slow strength, pulling through soft ground, climbing with a full load, finding traction when the surface beneath you turns into broken rock, wet dirt, or shifting sand. To do that well, the engineering would need to be serious. Weight distribution, steering, braking, fuel range, axle articulation, and driveline stress would define whether the WARHAWK felt crude or capable. Done properly, it could feel composed, even calm, in places that would rattle lesser machines into retreat. There is visual drama at the rear, where spare tires, ladder access, roof storage, work lights, recovery tools, and fold-out camp gear could turn the WARHAWK into a complete expedition platform. At sunrise, it would not simply park beside a trailhead. It would become base camp. Coffee could be brewing inside while maps cover the table. Camera gear could be charging. Wet boots could be drying. The next route could be planned in warmth while the wilderness wakes up outside. The realistic limitations are part of what makes the idea believable. A machine this large would never be effortless in crowded cities. Parking would demand planning. Fuel economy would almost certainly be heavy. Maintenance would not be cheap, and parts for such a specialized build could become a challenge in remote regions. Some roads, bridges, tunnels, and campsites would simply be too small or too restricted. If the WARHAWK ever moved from fantasy to production, the price would place it in an elite category far beyond ordinary recreational vehicles. Yet that is exactly why people cannot stop imagining it. The WARHAWK feels extreme enough to seem impossible, yet practical enough to let you picture your own version of freedom inside it. It is the kind of machine that makes viewers think about storms, empty highways, remote lakes, off-grid weekends, national parks, forgotten service roads, and the strange reassurance of carrying your home with you. It combines three powerful dreams at once: the strength of a rescue vehicle, the comfort of a luxury motorhome, and the attitude of something built for an uncertain world. Would you choose a vehicle like this for cross-country survival travel, or is it simply too massive for real life? Either way, the 2027 Toyota WARHAWK 8x8 captures the imagination because it gives modern adventure a new silhouette: 8 wheels, a luxury cabin, and the quiet promise that the map is only a suggestion. For more bold automotive stories, subscribe to Jack Motorlux.